Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to connect your mobile phone camera to OBS Studio. First you need to install OBS Studio. Therefore search obsproject.com in Google and you can see OBS Studio official website, and you can follow your operating system and you can simply download it first, and after download please install the setup with clicking next, and it's a simple normal installation. You can install it to any path you need. And now I have already installed my OBS Studio software, and now I am going to install Droid Cam. Okay, uh, here also you can search Droid Cam in Google, and you can see droidcam.app is droidcam's official website. Yeah, and here you can see Linux setup and Windows setup and OBS plugin. You can download a separate client tab, and you can also download direct OBS plugin for DroidCam. Here I am going to install direct plugin because this is working 100% without green screen. Sometimes client tab is getting green screen. Therefore click OBS direct plugin, and you can simply download this for your operating system. I have already downloaded this. I'm using Windows, and I will go to my setup folder. I have both client app and OBS direct plugin app. Here I am going to install my OBS plugin app instead of client app. I can open this setup and you can install this. When you install this, please make sure guys your path should be exactly the OBS Studio installed path. Okay, because I am going to browse my path. My OBS Studio is in this PC and new volume D and soft pack. This is my OBS Studio root path. Okay, I have installed OBS Studio here. When I open this, here you can see bin data and OBS plugin. But don't select the inside folders, select main root folder. Okay, and click OK, and you can simply next, and this error is coming. I have already installed this. Don't care about it. You will install this properly. I will ignore this for now. Guys, this is not an error. Okay, now after you install, you can add new monitor, new item to your OBS Studio. Here you can see Droid Cam OBS, not video capture device. Not video capture device. You can select directly Droid Cam OBS. Okay, I am now selecting this. You can simply click OK, and now you can connect your mobile phone. We should do our next part in our mobile. Please go to Play Store or your App Store, and you can install Droid Cam app and follow these paths. I will show you a screen video. And after, finally you will get an IP address. You can type that IP address in here. Guys, remember this will work if you have connected same Wi-Fi network with your mobile and laptop or computer or anything. Okay, your Wi-Fi connection should be same for mobile and other device. And I will enter my IP address 192.168.1.2 is my IP address showing in my mobile, and I will enter it in and I can activate. Guys, after I click OK, this is connecting properly. You can see my mobile phone camera is working properly with OBS Studio. Okay, if you need, you can select properties and you can change your video quality by here. Then your camera will refresh like this. If you use your audio, you can enable it also. You can set up that settings as you need. And this is the video, guys. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. It will help to others also. Thank you for watching.